Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be decorating a cake. I was going to do it galaxy themed, but I don't have any black food colouring. So instead I'm going to be doing a pastel galaxy cake video. Alright. Okay, so the recipe calls for 250 grams of butter, but I don't need to make that much, so I put the recipe into 2/3. So I'm only going to be making 2/3 of what the recipe calls for. So far I have 160 grams of butter kind of thing, and then I'm going to have 2 cups of icing sugar and like about 1.5 tablespoons of milk. So I'm going to kind of let this butter soften for a bit before I start beating it, just because it's fresh out of the fridge. Okay, so I've let the butter sit for a while, and I'm going to start beating it. So now I'm going to put in the 2 cups of icing sugar. So I'm going to start with just a few kind of spoons of this, and hopefully it doesn't go everywhere like it always does. Okay, now we need another cup of sugar. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly, okay, that's about a tablespoon, maybe need more. Okay, I'll just do 2 of these because these aren't quite tablespoons because they're really flat spoons. So I'm just going to incorporate that a little. And we have here a buttercream frosting. Alright, so with the cake I've already like crumb coated kind of thing a little because I didn't have enough of the like pre-made kind of frosting it came with, so that's already kind of been done. But I'm gonna go and dye this a bunch of different colors, and we'll be back when I'm ready to ice the cake. Alright, so I'm going to start by leaving that one white, so I'll leave that aside so I don't get mixed up. And I'm going to go in with this pink food colouring. And I'm just going to dip like the end of this kind of like spoon in, just so it's not too kind of like pigmented, because I am going for like a pastel kind of theme. So we'll see what this colour turns out to be like. Okay, so I got all my colours. Right, I'm happy with these colours. I'm going to now ice the cake. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've already kind of coated it in like the kind of frosting that comes, because this is a pack of mixed cakes, so just kind of coated it in the frosting that it came with. Now I'm going to go in with this knife and I'm going to try and ice a cake. I'm going to leave a little bit of the white in a Ziploc bag. Now I'm going to start trying to frost a cake. Okay, so what I'm doing is that I'm going to alternate between the white and pink. So yeah, let's hope this works. Okay, so I picked up these silver beads, and I'm going to be kind of dotting these everywhere and also making constellations. I'm going to start with the classic Aquarius constellation on the front of the cake, just because it's for my best friend's birthday. I hope you enjoyed that, and leave a like if you did. Tell me if you recreated or if you just liked watching it. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!